Every day, millions of people unknowingly contribute to devastating environmental harm, and it's all thanks to their shoelaces. This phenomenon is particularly concerning because the average person replaces their shoelaces around 5-7 times per year. Those discarded laces contribute to a staggering amount of waste, with many ending up in our oceans and harming marine life. In fact, the United States alone generates over 12 billion tons of textile waste each year, with a significant portion being from shoelaces. So, what exactly is behind the alarming rate of shoelace waste? To understand the impact of shoelace waste, we need to explore the production and disposal processes of shoelaces. Most shoelaces are made from nylon or polyester, which are non-biodegradable materials that can take hundreds of years to decompose. But that's not the strangest part. The production of these materials requires massive amounts of energy, water, and chemicals. Scientists have discovered that the production process alone generates over 1.5 million tons of CO2 emissions annually. But what about the disposal process? In most cases, discarded shoelaces end up in landfills, where they contribute to methane production and further exacerbate climate change. It's a vicious cycle that has severe consequences for our planet. Now, you might be wondering what we can do to mitigate the effects of shoelace waste. One effective solution is to opt for eco-friendly shoelace alternatives, such as those made from recycled materials or plant-based bioplastics. Another approach is to adopt a shoelace sharing system, where people swap or lend their shoelaces rather than purchasing new ones. While these solutions may seem small, they can collectively make a significant impact when implemented on a large scale. As we strive to create a more sustainable future, it's essential to reevaluate our daily habits, including the simple act of changing our shoelaces. For centuries, shoelaces have been a ubiquitous part of our daily lives, and it's time we rethink their impact. By making conscious choices, we can significantly reduce the amount of waste generated by shoelaces and promote a healthier environment. In fact, studies have shown that adopting eco-friendly shoelace alternatives can reduce greenhouse gas emissions by up to 30%. It's a small change, but one that can collectively make a substantial difference in our planet's health. So, the next time you're about to discard your shoelaces, remember the devastating consequences of your actions. Now, imagine a world where shoelaces are designed with sustainability in mind, where they're made from eco-friendly materials and produced with minimal waste. It's a world where we can walk with pride, knowing that our shoelaces are not harming the environment. This phenomenon is not unique to shoelaces. Many everyday products contribute to waste and pollution. However, by making conscious choices and adopting eco-friendly alternatives, we can significantly reduce our ecological footprint. So, the next time you're about to purchase new shoelaces, consider the impact of your decision. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. And let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about the world of sustainable living. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.